hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make socks on Printify. I'll also be showing you how to sell socks online using Printify. The first thing you will need to do is create your Printify account. You can do that once you're on printify.com by tapping on Start for free. From there, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address and basic sign-up information, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you'll go over to the top left-hand corner, right where you see DBZ on my screen. You're going to tap right there. Then from there, you can tap on Add a New Store. And you can see the different platforms that you can integrate Printify on. So whether you like to sell on Etsy, Shopify, or Walmart, or eBay, or Squarespace, or Wix, you can select the platform that you would like to sell on. Or if you simply want to use the Printify platform to sell, you could simply tap on Printify pop-up store. And from there, you'll be provided with a URL that you can use to sell your items for completely free, as that is what I've done with DBZ right here. DBZ, as if I were to tap on visit store right here, you can see that it is a standalone store that I've added a few items to, and this is a platform that Printify had provided me with for completely free. This is their pop-up platform. So you could select the pop-up store option by simply tapping on Add a New Store. You could select the Printify pop-up option right here. Now, after you have selected the platform that you would like to sell on, you are going to simply select right where you see My Products. And from there, you are going to see the option to add product. But for this example, I'm going to tap on Catalog right there, as you can also do that. And you're going to select socks. After selecting socks, from here you can select your target market, whether it is USA, Europe, Australia, China, or the United Kingdom. And I'm going to be selecting the best seller right here. After selecting the socks, you're going to tap on Start Designing. Then from here, you can add your design, as you can see right there. So you have a few options that you can use. Once here, you could go onto platforms, for example, like Canva, and from there you could create a completely free account, and you could create designs that you could add. You can also go onto freelancing platform like Fiverr, and you could pay persons to come up with a design for you. Another thing that you can also do, you could tap on AI image, and from there you could type in a prompt, and you could use one of the prompts that they provide you with. Or you could tap on text, and from there you could type out a text that you would like to use. Also, by tapping on graphics, you can see different graphics that you can use. So you could select one of these graphic designs right there. After you have selected the design, you can adjust the size, as you can see right here. So you could adjust the size to your liking. Once everything is okay, you can select whether you like it on the front legs, left leg, or the front right leg. You can select where you'd like to place your design. After doing that, you're going to tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. Then once you have tapped on Save Product, from here you can see quick mockups that you can use. So you can see it right there. Then you will tap on Publish in the bottom right hand corner. Now that I've tapped on Publish, you can see that the product is being pushed to my store. Once it has been added to my store, all I'll need to do is simply tap on Visit Store in the top right hand corner. Then after doing that, you can see that I now have socks added to my store, as you can see right here. And you can see my design has been added right there. And you can also see the price. So now persons will be able to purchase socks from my store by simply tapping on Add to Cart. And to set up the different payment options so that you can start receiving money once you have gotten a sale, all you'll need to do is go back onto Printify. Then from there, you can tap on Wallet. Then you'll tap on Payments. And from here, you can connect your PayPal account, or you can connect your Payoneer account, as you can see right there. And in the future, you'll also be able to view your sales by tapping on Insights from the left-hand menu option. And if it is a case that you would like to customize your pop-up store, if that was the option that you have chosen, you could tap on Store Settings, and from there you could edit your store name. You could also add a logo. You can also scroll down and you can add different social media links, as you can see right here. It is quite easy to customize. You could also tap on Customize Store and you could select a different theme if you want. Then you could save the changes. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.